Hello, we're going to check out Cursor AI. I just installed it and we will, let's start a Cobra CLI project maybe. No, let's not do that. Yeah, let's do that. Where are we? We're going to have to create a new project. I never start one from the editor, so I don't know what I'm doing there. Let's go for a terminal. And we're of course not in Ubuntu. Here we are. We're in WSL2 as always. And it's been a while. Look, there's a lot of updates, but we're going to ignore that as hard as it is. Let us go into our development directory. My first go. Welcome to Docker. All right, let's create my first Cobra CLI. Now, do we have Go installed? No, we don't. I usually work out of a dev container, so let's do that. I don't know if the cursor is installed. Not that. Not found. Fun. All right, let's do it this way. Open folder. I don't know how to get to it other than going to //WSL $. There's Ubuntu. There's home. And there you go. Select folder. All right, we're rocking and rolling in the folder anyway. We want to do a couple things. Actually, we should do a git init. Always start with a git init. I always do anyway. You should too. So we got a git repository with nothing in it. Let's touch a git ignore. We're going to need a main.go probably. Although we're going to need the Cobra CLI. So let us first do the dev container thing. Okay, we're going to start. Press F1. Dev container. Dev container. Probably don't have the extension installed. Extensions. We're going to search for dev container. There we go. Install. Use by you. Let's try from there. F1. Dev containers. We will add dev container configuration files. There we go. Nope, no we're not. Okay, first we're going to install the WSL extension. Try again. See, it knows now that we're trying to open a folder in the WSL area. And it's going to do its thing. I think it installs the VS Code server in WSL2. Moving on. And it goes and it goes and it goes and it goes and it goes. But download in background is enabled. And eventually, is it done? I don't know. Let's try. Add dev container configuration files. It worked. Go Didn't show us anything. We're going to go all definitions, Golang, no, just go. And we'll use the top one there, go, 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 go. 122 bookworm, it's just the default, that's the latest version. Are we going to install any features? No, we're just going to leave it. We're going to go fresh go 122 bookworm. And now we will reopen in container. It does not work. Make sure Docker daemon is running. Well, Docker desktop. Which is also running on the host. We're in a hyper VM. I don't think it matters. I hope not. I hope this works. Rebuild. I was in F1 again and rebuild and reopen and cross fingers. Looks like it's working. Indeed it is. We got some Docker action going, downloading some images, bookworm, and all its layers. So, we wait. I guess we should plan what we're going to do here. We're going to need the Cobra CLI. Install Cobra CLI. I'll go install. There it is. Where's it pulling that from? Let's check the actual Go package website. There it is. Go install. This is how we install the command line interface for Cobra. And what is Cobra? I didn't even get into that, did I? I just said we're going to do this thing. Cobra CLI. So Cobra CLI is a framework. What does it say? A framework for modern CLI apps in Go. They brag about it down here, but a lot of projects use this because it's awesome. You can create commands, subcommands very easily, and it takes care of all your this stuff, your help. It'll create auto completions for your shell. It's awesome. So we're gonna build a Hello World Cobra CLI, and it looks like we're almost ready to go. Installed successfully. Let's try opening a terminal. Go, there it is. Now let us, or what do we got? GitHub, the Panda bot, we got our dev container. Let's check this stuff in. We're just gonna do it on the terminal. Git add period for all of it. Git commit -m initial commit. And I didn't set anything, so let's do that. My email. Which is something@something.com. And there's actually like I use a GitHub private one. I don't remember what it is, but I should have thought this out. But anyway, git config global user.name is Russell. Now git add commit. There, committed. Close this welcome thing. I don't want that. I don't want it. All right, so over here we have our instructions somewhere. Oh, this is for the library. We want to install the CLI, which will generate some boilerplate for us. So let's start with that. Right. Right, we got to do that, but hold on. There it is. Go install github.com, blah, 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 CLI latest. That's what we want. Copy, paste, enter. Murphy's Law. Now that's going to install it in your Go path, which is not in your project directory. Shouldn't be anyway. Cobra init app command will create your initial application code for you. It is a very powerful application that will populate your program. With the introduction of Go modules, the Cobra generator has been simplified to take advantage of modules. The Cobra generator works from within a Go module, initializing a module. If you already have a module, skip the step. We do not have a module. That's what we're going to start with, and we'll follow their directions. Create a new directory. We did that. We're in there. We need to go mod init. So now we do have a Cobra command though. Maybe. Is it Cobra-CLI? Yes, it is. But yeah, there it is. Add completion help init. Good stuff. Now, yeah, so we want to do the go mod init. Here it is. Go mod init. GitHub.com/ I got a user full stack dev 42, I think. That's good enough guess. And then my first Cobra CLI. Nice long name. Now we have a new go.mod file. And we have this extension, which does the dev container install it already? It must. Maybe, I don't know. Go for VS Code, the official extension. It doesn't say install anywhere, so I guess it's installed. Can't run it. Yep, it's good. We're good. Good to go. Go back to, yeah, we're looking at the Go mod, which, as you can see, very simple file. This sets the version of Go you require. We're going to just go 122 instead of the point whatever. And as you can see, there's our name. Module name, I mean. But yes, okay, from here, we're going to want to initialize the Cobra CLI. So we'll do the Cobra, wait, I'm going to check this in first, sorry. Git add go.mod, git commit -m init go module. There we go. Checked in like a good chap. Now we can do the Cobra CLI init. And if we leave it blank, I think it'll just pick up the name. Cobra application is ready at WAP. Now we have a go.sum, because if we look at our root.go, we're actually pulling in some libraries, packages, whatever, other modules. Yes. So now we have a go sum, which is, I don't know, comparable to package.json or composer.json or any other package manager that keeps all the details somewhere in a file for future installs and replication. So now let's check it in again. Git add, git commit, init, Cobra module, app. All right. There we go. Add commands to a project. What do we want to add? A hello world, I guess. Right, we're in cursor. Root. So if we actually go run cmd root, is that going to work? No, it's not a main package. Why didn't it? Oh, it did generate a main. It's right there. Ha ha ha. Go run main.go. A longer description that spans multiple lines. Blah blah blah. We want the cursor chat, which you open from, I don't know, F1, the palette, command palette. Chat, cursor chat, cursor open chat. And I figured out earlier, got to press Control L here, Command L if you're on a Mac, but Control L opens, this is, it's not the chat view, it's like the view that holds the chat. I don't know. Just press Control L if it's not popping up. So let's ask it. We're writing our first Cobra CLI app. Help create a hello world command, please. We have Cobra-CLI installed. We did that. Add hello. Cobra-CLI add hello. May as well copy it. Why not? Paste. And there, it generated hello.go in the command directory. Now, if we were to run it, what would it do? It would say hello called. Go run main go hello. Hello called. That's it. Pretty simple. It's good enough for a hello world, I think. Hello, that was hard. Hello world. There it is, hello world. Let's add git add, git commit, created hello world command. Let's do another, just to illustrate. Add hello goodbye. So we have a new goodbye command. Goodbye, cruel world. And that's that, man. It's pretty neat, isn't it? If we just run the main.go, you'll see our goodbye command here. Available commands: goodbye, hello, and there's a help. As I said, completion. So if you were to do completion, and then we're using bash, I'm pretty sure. Yes, we are. And it dumps it right there. You can pop that in a bash RC or profile. And then you'll have auto completion for your commands. Let's see what we have. Cat home directory .bash. No RC. Oh yeah, there's the RC. If we just create a profile, does that work? I don't remember. Completion bash home directory .bash. No, just profile. It's already there. I'm not sure what would be the best or easiest, whatever, cleanest. Cobra CLI completion bash. Let's see what the doc say, or something says. So we're looking for completion. There it is. Let's ask Cursor. Help set up our bash completions for our Cobra app, please. Please. I don't know what it's talking about there. So it's saying put it in a script and then from your bash RC or your profile. Fair enough. We'll just dump it into wherever we want. My first Cobra completions dot bash, and then, well, let's source it, and then if we I don't know how does we're gonna have to compile it first. No, go run. Yeah, see, that's not gonna work unless we compile it. So we need to create a binary. Go build. I was right there. Dash oh my app. Go build. If you want to create binaries for different operating systems, yeah. So we want to call it my first. My first. We're gonna have to make it executable. Where's our path? Sudo ls. Alright, sudo move my first to user local bin. I usually like to use a .local, but it's probably not. No, it's not set up here. It doesn't really matter. I moved it to user local bin and it is executable. And if we do a my first, it finds it. No completions though. I should probably run it like this rather. Completion dash. Oops. And then source it again. My first. It doesn't work. What am I not doing? Let's simplify this file name to my first dot bash. Let's actually look at it. Cat. Cool. So let's try vim bash rc. In our home directory, there's no vim. There's a nano home directory slash bash rc. We're just going to look for the bottom. That's what we're looking for. Source home in here. How do you search in Nano? Control W, where is home? Nope. It's just, I'm gonna hard code it. Or maybe it's available actually from the environment, but whatever. I'm just gonna go home VS Code. I think that's what it is. Let's check. Yes. Okay, home VS Code. My first, did I call it that? Bash? I believe so. I'm gonna save it. Control X, Y, enter. Not L, LS. I'm still used to my ZSH. Okay, so it's my first dot bash. Yes, okay. Let's source our basher C. My first, nothing. I'm guessing our root, no, not the root, the go mod. No, this is it. I think use. It's my first. I don't know if this will make a difference. Maybe. Let's build it again. Make sure it's executable. Move it. Yeah, move my first user local bin. My first source. Oh, we gotta do the completions first. My first completions bash. No, completion bash. And then let's pipe it. See, it says my first now, rather than, I don't know if you noticed before, but it said like my first Cobra, blah, blah, blah. So now it's just my first. Oh yes, home directory, my first. Completion bash, my first bash. Cat. We're good, I think. Now let's source our basher C again, and which also sources the completion. And now we give it a shot. My first, there we go, it works. So my mistake was not setting the same name for the root command in root.go. But so yeah, in my first tab, you see what we have available. Hello, H, help, tab, another H and a tab, and we got our first Cobra application in bash completions. Cool.